Welcome to Taste Buds and Sunita. Today we are making a delicious and healthy thali-pit, a multi-grain traditional dish from Maharashtra. This dish is not only flavorful but also packed with nutritious grains, legumes and spices. This recipe is uploaded on the request of my friend and subscriber Professor Amita Arya. Thank you Amita for the suggestion. Without wasting much time, चला महाराष्ट्राच्या स्वादाची सुरुवात करूया. Let's begin with the taste of Maharashtra. Start by rinsing 1 cup of red rice thoroughly. Drain off the water and spread the rice on a clean towel to dry. Once the rice is dry, add it to a pan and dry roast it until it puffs up. Add 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds to the pan. Roast for a minute. Now add half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Roast the mixture for a little longer and set it aside to cool. In the same pan, add 4 tablespoons of chana dal and dry roast it until it becomes aromatic. Add 2 Kashmiri red chilies. You can opt for gram flour instead of chana dal, but chana dal gives a better flavor. Roast for another minute and mix it with the roasted rice. Once the mixture has cooled, blend it into a smooth powder. Add this powdered mixture into a mixing bowl. Add 1/4 cup of bajra flour, 1/4 cup of jowar flour, 1/4 cup of wheat flour, half cup of chopped coriander leaves, 2 green chilies finely chopped, 1 medium onion finely chopped, salt to taste and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Gradually add water and knead the mixture into a smooth and soft dough. Once the dough is ready, divide it into small balls. You should get around 9 balls from this dough. Now take a plastic sheet, apply some oil on it and place 1 ball of dough. Cover it with another plastic sheet. Use a flat plate to press it and flatten the dough. With the help of a fork, pierce the flattened dough to help it cook evenly. Heat a pan, grease it with oil or ghee and gently place the flattened dough into the pan. Cook on low to medium heat, flipping it occasionally. Add ghee in between to cook it to perfection. Repeat the process with the remaining dough balls. Once all the thali pits are cooked, move them to a serving plate. Now in the same pan, add 1 teaspoon of ghee, toss in 3 green chilies and stir. Now sprinkle a little red chili flakes and chopped coriander leaves on top. Pour this flavored ghee mixture over the curd placed in a tray. Serve your yummy, delicious and healthy thali pit with the flavored curd. Thank you for joining me today on Taste Buds and Sunita. Please like, share and subscribe for more delightful recipes. Until next time, happy cooking.